Today, the wilpattu safari is ready to take you on this nature step. Come and join us. Identifying this lovely home as black-napped monarch by chance, we further explored the trajectory of their journey, the art of responding to an enemy. The adult male black-naped monarch is about 16 centimeters long, and is mainly pale azure blue apart from a whitish lower belly. It has a black nape and a narrow black gorget. The female is duller and lacks the black markings. Its wings and back are gray-brown. Caught in a nearby tree, this gray-headed fish eagle caught a rabbit and held it to its branch, tearing the flesh with its sharp beak. Sri Lanka is home to 26 endemic bird species and 7 proposed endemic species. The total number of bird species recorded on the island is 492, of which 219 species are breeding inhabitants. This visitor, who came to interrupt our journey a little further away, identified himself as the Sri Lankan green pigeon. Next to it, we spotted a couple of large eagles, carnivores, resting on the end of a large decaying tree in plain sight.
White-bearded Prasiga.
This species of bird, green bee-eater, which caught our eye just beyond the entrance to the Wilpattu National Park, is a common breeding ground from the dry lowlands to the dry lowlands. Wilpattu Park National Park, a historic sanctuary holding onto the water of mercy. You two have been blessed to be alone in a romantic space with bows. While it may seem common to the wildlife officer to see all of this, the effort they put into protecting all of those animals is huge.